Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new member to your Gmail family group. This is a really useful feature because it allows new members to share your Google Play apps, storage, and other services easily. If you've been wanting to bring someone into your family group, this guide will walk you through every step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to families.google.com. This is the hub for managing your Google family group, and it's where you can send invitations and manage members. Once the page loads, make sure to sign in with the Gmail account that manages the family group. This is very important because only the account with administrative control can send invitations and manage settings. After signing in, look for an option that says Send Invitations, click on that, and a new field will appear where you need to enter the Gmail address of the person you want to add. Double-check the email address before sending the invite, as the invitation will be sent directly to that email. A small typo could cause the invite to go to the wrong person, so accuracy is key here. Once you've entered the correct email, click Send. This will dispatch an invitation to the person you want to add. It's a simple step, but an important one. The person will receive an email in their inbox with your invitation to join the family group. Here's the final step. The person you invited will need to open the email and accept the invitation. Inside the email, there will be a button or link to confirm their acceptance. Once they click on it, they officially become a part of your family group and gain access to all the shared resources, like apps, subscriptions, and storage. And that's it. Following these steps makes it incredibly easy to manage your family group and bring new members on board. Whether it's family, friends, or anyone else you trust, now you can expand your Google family group seamlessly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.